To create a text reveal animation while scrolling on your website, we are going to first add a text. So click on the plus icon in the top left corner and add a text. Let's type in text reveal effect, put it right into the center, and now we are going to apply the animation. So go to the inspector on the right side and click on animation and effects. Then click on scroll and plus add. Here you are going to select the reveal animation, then click on adjust animation. You can, for example, change the direction. For example, if you scroll, you can reveal it from the top. You can reveal it from the left to the right, or the right to the left, or even from the bottom. As you can see, you can also change the animation area. While scrolling, you can see the preview. So choose the direction you want and also the animation area percentage. And then in the end, click on preview in the top right corner to see the effect in action. We can also apply and try another effect. Let's duplicate the text. Then we are going to remove the reveal effect. If you now change the opacity to 20% and put it right behind the text with the reveal, we are going to click on preview, and once we scroll down now, you can see that both text elements are working together and revealing the text in a more interesting way. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.